Hey everyone, have you ever been on a website and you hover over something and you get this little tooltip that pops up? See this one right here says pick color, and it just gives you another little nudge to let you know what they want you to do on this page. So I'm going to go over to my test blog and I'm going to show you how to make your very own tooltip. So this works best with Cadence blocks and the advanced text block. And you can make that any size you want. You can make it a paragraph, you can make it an H1 heading or whatever. I try to always use the Cadence blocks because they have so much more customization available to them. So I'm going to write in here, is this H2 or H3? Okay, and then I'm going to select all the text, and I'm going to use this drop down and go to tooltips, and the content of my tooltip is going to be this is an H2 headline. Okay, the placement, I'm going to have the placement go over the top. I want it to pop up, and I'd rather do that in most instances, because if it goes down, then sometimes it's going to cover over things that you want them to do after this. So usually you're going to want the placement to be on the top. You can see that there's all kinds of places where you can put it. And the link settings, you can add a link to it if you want to give them more information about it. Okay, so now we're going to update this. And we're going to go and view the page. And here's my heading. And when I hover over it, there's my tooltip. So that's a nice, easy little way to give people just a little more information about what you want them to do on your site. Thanks, bye.